The preparation of the party, which seemed to be perfect, turned out to be a disaster. The sunflower, preparing itself to turn towards the sun, started to rotate its leaves. The tree, which looked like he was going to present a television program, was standing as straight as a soldier. The famous actress, who had just won an Oscar, presented herself to the audience. The boy, who had smiled from ear to ear, was presenting himself to his new friends. Tom Flea, who was a famous presenter, suffered a heart attack. Unfortunately, the famous presenter, Tom Flea, couldn't do his presentation. The homework, which was presentable, was handed on the correct date. The fiancé, who was unpresentable for the wedding, arrived late. The man, who had a powerful presence, shouted angrily. The workers of the jam fabric, which had to produce a lot of jam, did it quickly. The apple tree, even though it was summer, produced a lot of apples. Although the apple tree stopped producing apples, it still had a bright color.